Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey there, tech fans. Welcome to WatchWire News. If you're looking for some amazing deals on the latest gadgets and gizmos, you've come to the right place. Today, we've got a treasure trove of steals just waiting to be snagged. First up, let's talk about the Apple Watch Ultra 2, now at its best price of $2025. That's right, folks. This top-of-the-line smartwatch is available for an incredible $720 down from its usual price. But wait, there's more. You can also get a pair of Anker USB-C fast chargers for just $6.50 each. That's a steal. And if you're looking to capture some stunning 2K footage, we've got you covered. The top-selling 2K camera drone is on sale for an unbeatable price of $34.99. That's a whopping discount of up to 60% off the regular price. But that's not all. We've also got some fantastic deals on other top brands. And if you sign up for our exclusive daily deals list, sent every AM, you'll be the first to know about all the latest deals and discounts. So what are you waiting for? Head over to our website now and start shopping. At WatchWire News, we're dedicated to bringing you the best deals and discounts on the latest technology. Our expert team of reviewers has been putting products through their paces for over 20 years, so you can trust that we've got your back. So don't miss out on these incredible deals. Act fast before they're gone. And if you have any questions or need help with a purchase, just give us a shout. We're always here to help. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching WatchWire News.